Have you ever wondered which birds have the most beautiful voices? The natural world is a symphony of sounds, a concert of chirps, calls, and songs. Every morning as the sun peeks over the horizon, a choir of voices rises to greet the day. Each voice is unique, each song a testament to the diversity and beauty of our feathered friends. Their voices are as varied as their plumage, from the sweet melodies to the haunting calls, from the cheerful tunes to the complex mimicry. Our journey begins with the nightingale, a bird renowned for its melodious and intricate songs, especially at night. This enchanting songster has long been celebrated in poetry and music for its sweet voice. Next on our list is the canary, a small songbird with a cheerful and melodious tune. Its continuous singing has made it a popular choice as a pet. We'll then move on to the Indian cuckoo, a bird known for its repetitive and resonant calls, often compared to the soothing sound of a flute. Then there's the lyrebird, an Australian native and a mimicry master, with a unique and complex song that can imitate other bird calls and environmental sounds. We'll also encounter the whistling warbler, a bird found in the Caribbean recognized for its sweet whistling song that enchants listeners. Our journey will also take us to the common loon, a bird famous for its haunting and eerie calls that echo over lakes, often associated with the wilderness sounds of North America. We'll hear from the blackbird, a common garden bird with a rich and melodious song that varies depending on the region. Next, we'll meet the mockingbird, known for its complex and creative song that mimics other birds, animals, and even mechanical noises. We'll also listen to the ethereal, flute-like tones of the hermit thrush, a song that often echoes through forests. And finally, we'll end with the melodious Malabar whistling thrush, a bird that adds its unique voice to this symphony of feathers. So without further ado, let's dive into the melodious world of our feathered friends. First on our list is the nightingale, a bird renowned for its melodious and intricate songs, especially after sunset. The nightingale's song is a complex arrangement of high and low notes, trills, and long, drawn-out melodies. This nocturnal serenade is so beautifully orchestrated that it has captivated the hearts of many, becoming a symbol of love, beauty, and poetry. Its sweet voice has not just enthralled the nature enthusiasts, but also inspired poets and musicians over the centuries. From John Keats's Ode to a Nightingale, to the beautiful strains of Ottorino Respighi's The Birds, the nightingale's song has been immortalized in art and culture. Its enchanting voice, full of emotion and depth, resonates through the quiet of the night, filling the air with music that is both soothing and invigorating. Indeed, the nightingale's song is a perfect symphony played under the starlit sky. Next is the canary, a small songbird with a cheerful and melodious tune. This little bird, adorned in bright yellow feathers, is a charming performer. It's not just the vibrant color that makes the canary stand out, but the continuous, delightful singing that fills the air with a sense of joy and cheerfulness. Canaries are popular pets, often kept for their charming songs. These birds don't just chirp, they perform, and their performances are lengthy and continuous. It's like having your own personal songbird serenading you from dawn till dusk. They are indeed the maestros of the pet world. Their sweet, melodious tunes can transform a silent room into a concert hall, their cheerful notes echoing in every corner, bringing life to the stillness. They sing their hearts out, pouring their energy and joy into every note and every tune. The canary's song, a joyous melody, is sure to brighten any day. Now let's talk about the Indian cuckoo, known for its repetitive and resonant calls. This bird is a virtuoso in its own right. Its song, often compared to the soft, melodious notes of a flute, fills the air with a sense of serenity and calm. The Indian cuckoo's distinctive call is a repetitive series of notes, creating an echo that reverberates through the wild. It's a sound that is as captivating as it is soothing. This bird's resonant song is a testament to its name, an enchanting melody that can be heard from afar, adding to the symphony of nature. The Indian cuckoo's song is not just a call. It's a melody that tells a story, a rhythm that echoes life in the wild. This bird, with its flute-like sound and distinctive call, is a marvel to listen to. The Indian cuckoo's song is a resonant serenade in the wild. Let's move on to the lyrebird, a mimicry master, capable of imitating other bird calls and environmental sounds. This feathered virtuoso hails from Australia and is renowned for its unique and complex song. But what truly sets the lyrebird apart is its uncanny ability to mimic. From the songs of other birds to the rustle of leaves under a breeze, From the gurgling of a brook to the distant drone of a chainsaw, this remarkable bird can reproduce them all with astonishing accuracy. It's like a living, breathing soundtrack of its environment. And it doesn't just stop at sounds it hears in nature. Believe it or not, lyrebirds have been known to mimic man-made sounds such as camera shutters and car alarms. These amazing birds can have repertoires of over 20 different species calls, all delivered with a flair that's uniquely their own. With the lyrebird, every day is a new concert, truly a mimicry maestro. Next up is the whistling warbler, recognized for its sweet whistling song. This small yet captivating bird carries a tune that is as charming as it is distinctive. With a voice that would make even the most accomplished whistler envious, the whistling warbler weaves a melody that seems to tell a story of the vibrant Caribbean, where it calls home. Its habitat, the lush and verdant islands of the Caribbean, provides the perfect backdrop for this bird's enchanting melody. The whistling warbler's song is a symbol of the region's rich natural beauty, a sweet serenade that is as much a part of the Caribbean as the azure waters and the radiant sunsets. With each note, the whistling warbler enchants its listeners, transporting them to a world of tropical splendor. Its voice, a blend of high and low pitches, creates a symphony that is hard to forget. The whistling warbler's song, a sweet serenade, is music to the ears. Now let's explore the common loon, famous for its haunting and eerie calls. A symbol of wilderness, the common loon is a quintessential sound of North American lakes, especially during the summer months. Its call, a blend of yodels, hoots, and tremolos, is a poignant tune that echoes across still waters, often heard at dusk and dawn. This bird's call is not just a sound, it's a story, a narrative of the wild. Each unique yodel tells us about the bird itself, its gender, and even its individual identity. The tremolo, a wavering call, is an expression of alarm, the loon's way of announcing its presence and asserting its territory to other loons. The echoing call of the loon is a haunting melody that transcends the mere auditory experience. It's a call that embodies the very essence of wilderness, a reminder of nature's vast expanse and profound mystery. The common loon's call, a haunting melody, echoes the wild spirit of the lakes. Next is the mockingbird, known for mimicking other birds, animals, and even mechanical noises. This feathered virtuoso stands out in the avian world with its unique ability to imitate a wide variety of sounds. But what makes the mockingbird's song truly fascinating is its complexity and creativity. Imagine a bird that can reproduce the chirps of other birds down to the smallest detail, or mimic the barking of a dog, or even the beeping of a car alarm. That's the mockingbird for you, a natural sound machine. But it's not just about imitation. Mockingbirds add their own twist to the sounds they mimic, creating a symphony that's as varied as it is charming. Their song is not a random mix of sounds, but a carefully arranged sequence that's unique to each mockingbird. It's a reflection of their environment, a sonic snapshot of their world. The mockingbird's song is a creative masterpiece, a testament to nature's ingenuity. Let's discuss the hermit thrush, celebrated for its ethereal flute-like tones. This bird, a captivating vocalist of the forest, invites us into its world with a song that is as enchanting as it is soothing. The hermit thrush doesn't just sing, it performs, weaving a tapestry of sound that seems to echo through the trees. Its song is a series of clear, melodious phrases, each one ending in a downward trill that carries through the woodland quiet. The melodies are varied and complex, yet they flow together in a harmonious rhythm, creating a symphony that feels as if it's a part of the forest itself. The hermit thrush's song is not just a call or a territorial marker, but a beautiful sonnet of life in the wilderness. Its ethereal song is a testament to nature's ability to create music that touches the soul. The hermit thrush's song, a flute-like melody, is an ethereal echo in the forests. Last but not least, we have the Malabar whistling thrush, with its melodious and distinctive song. This bird is a marvel to the ears, known for its complex and enchanting whistles that echo through the lush forests of the Western Ghats in India. Its musical repertoire is as rich as it is diverse, with a range of notes that seem to mimic the very essence of joy and cheerfulness. The Malabar whistling thrush, often referred to as the whistling schoolboy due to its clear, human-like whistle, is a true maestro at dawn. Just as the first light of the day graces the earth, the bird's song fills the air, creating a symphony that welcomes the morning in the most magical way. Its voice, both powerful and serene, is a testament to the natural beauty of the world we live in. The Malabar whistling thrush's song, a melodious harmony, is a perfect end to our symphony of feathers. So there you have it, 10 birds with the most beautiful voices, from the melodious nightingale to the cheerful canary, the resonant Indian cuckoo to the mimicry master lyrebird. We've whistled along with the warbler, echoed the call of the common loon, marveled at the versatile blackbird, and admired the creative mockingbird. We've been enchanted by the ethereal hermit thrush and hummed along with the Malabar whistling thrush. Remember, every bird sings its own tune, and each song is a testament to the beauty and diversity of nature.